Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at adding and subtracting with matrices. So when we add and subtract with matrices, we need to consider the order of each matrix. And a matrix with A rows and B columns has an order of A times B. So for example, we can see this matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. So this will have an order of 3 by 2. This matrix has 1 row and 3 columns. So it will have an order of 1 by 3. And if two matrices have the same order, they can be added or subtracted by adding and subtracting their corresponding elements. And each of these numbers in this matrix is called an element. So in our example, we've been given matrix A, which we can see has 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Matrix B has 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. And when we have the same number of rows and columns, then we call this a square matrix. And then for matrix C, again we've got 2 rows and 3 columns, so this is 2 by 3. So then we've been asked to work out if it's possible each of these questions A, B, C, and D. Okay, so for question A, matrix A is 2 by 3, matrix C is also 2 by 3, so we can add them together. So we have 3, 4, 1 and negative 3, 6 and 2, plus matrix C. So 12, 16, 4, negative 12, 24, and 8. Then all we need to do is to add the corresponding elements in each matrix. So we'll add the 3 to the 12, which gives us 15. The 4 plus the 16 is 20. The 1 plus the 4, negative 3 take away the 12. And then the 6 add the 24. And the 2 add the 8. So this would be the matrix A plus C. And you can see it keeps the same 2 by 3 order. Okay, for question B, because we multiply in this matrix by 3, we can treat this like we're expanding our brackets, where we multiply every element in the matrix by this constant of 3. So we have 15, 3, negative 6, and positive 9. And again, you can see this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Question C, B minus A. Well, we can see that B is 2 by 2, and A is 2 by 3. So because these have a different order, it's not possible to add or subtract them. And then for question D, we've got 4A, which is 2 by 3. Take away the C, which is also 2 by 3. So we can work out question D as 4 lots of matrix A minus matrix C. Then we can expand out this 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. Take away this 12 gives us 0. 4 times the 1 is 4. Take away this 4. 4 times the 6 is 24. Take away this 24. Then we get 16 take away itself. The negative 12 plus itself. And then the 8 take away 8. So this is a special matrix. And we call this a zero matrix. So a zero matrix can be of any order, but it's where every element in that matrix is equal to 0. Okay? Let's look at one more question. Okay, so in this question, we've been given that A and B are both 2 by 2 matrices, and that A plus B is equal to this 2 by 2 matrix. We've been asked to work out the value of X and the value of Y. So if we write 1X, 3, 4, which is matrix A, plus matrix B, we're told that this is equal to 7, 8, 5 and 10. Then we can work out this x by adding it to the corresponding element in matrix B, so x plus 2, and this will equal the corresponding element in this matrix. This will equal 5, so the element x will equal 3. We'll use the same idea for y, so this 1 plus the y will equal 7. So y must equal 6. Okay?